Okay, guys. No hi, guys. Not so okay, guys. So, wait. Ignore that, please.
I give them milk coffee.
Oh, by the way, hi, guys. The ice cream. I bought this.
Also, but what flavor did you buy? I bought the same flavor as her, I think.
Yeah. We got the same flavor. Moldy.
Cheers. No, basah. Cuba.
Oh no! The monster's coming. So this is for my mom. What's that? This is for my so we're not gonna open it. Sorry.
I don't know, but that.
So this is the detergent.
I know it. What about? Are you not gonna open that? I will open it if I were you.
So let's open this first. Wait, actually, you tap it. Hey yo. The baby monster is here. Get it away.
This one, okay.
This is my little sister. Say hi. Say hi. Samantha, say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
He doesn't want to look at the
Are you
camera.
gonna open it or not? That's
Okay, let's open it.
Why are you opening from there?
The next one you open it.
Ready? Yeah. The next one we open together. I'll see the card. You want me to see the card first?
No.
No. Okay, that's not fun, but
It doesn't come like this.
it does. No, maybe that's kind of. I'll take the box.
Okay.
I'm so scared. Okay, I know you like. I know you want this. I know you want this so bad.
Really?
Yes. It's not secret, but I know you want it. I also have this one. Yeah, I also have it.
Yay! Yay.
By the way, baru kayak gitu. I also got luck on the first try. It smells like cotton candy, you know. No, the luck smells like cotton candy, you know.
No, it doesn't.
Mine does, like a little. So fluffy.
Okay, let's put it. Wow. Where do you put it?
On top.
Oh. You smacked her face.
Tap tip tap bang untuk apa lari ke dalam pintu. Okay, open this one.
Oh no. Molly is trapped.
Okay, okay. You see this. This. I think I know what it is. It's the blue one. I mean the green one.
Oh, it's blue. Please no blue. It's a blue one. To be honest, it's cute.
Okay. Karena mereka ganti namanya. Because kan dulu stikkernya kelihatan kan. Because like, they used to put the sticker, but now diganti. Mine, I got it early. Mine, I bought it early, so plastiknya belum kayu, so I could see what sticker looks like.
Hey yo. Why are you opening that men for me from me?
Who sees the card?
You. But don't tell.
Yeah, I won't tell. You juga tadi.
But because you told.
I didn't tell. I tell Clue. I don't like this one.
If it's secret, I'm so scared.
I love it. Okay.
Oh, it's.
I don't like happiness.
I like this. I love it.
Am I gonna open this one?
You lihat dulu ada apa aja and what you wish.
So this one is good. Wait, I love this one. I love
This one. I have this one.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
she has that. this one. This is medium. This is last. I want a secret so bad. I will. Okay, let's open one of this.
It's almost like the
Where's the one of it?
Wait, I do want it.
Wait, this goes.
We won? I won this one. What do you want? Same.
Hold on. Holy face. Okay, let's go. Why is there no secret?
I have it. Okay. Actually. Wait, ini pakai buat masking kan?
Iya.
Aku tak tahu. Let me know.
Oh, ngapain lu? Telepon nih.
I'll keep the card first. I saw it, but I won't tell you. You want to take it off? Oh. Aw. Look how cute that is. What? It's inside the Popmart Haul. That's cute.
Ooh, this is quite cute.
This has a bag.
Wow.
See? Here's a bag.
I think that's new. Apa nih? Kepo-kepo.
Did you ask to open your box? Did you ask to open your box?
No.
You're lucky you didn't get any.
Okay. So
We're gonna open another one.
no. So
Yay! We can open this one.
it was the same.
Okay, this time you take the card. And then I open it. And this time you open it. So I don't know anything about it. So you open it, get tadi ya. You don't keep any of the cards on my sheet. Oh. If I want
Nan.
it, will you keep it at? I will not keep it. Where's happiness card?
Opi, Ivy.
Oh. Hey, where's the happiness? See, how are you so chill?
Ayo.
Oh my god, my back hurts so bad. Where's the card?
Opi.